Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. A little while ago we saw how to allow users to create accounts in our application just using Firebase Auth on the front end. But the thing is that now that we're storing user data in our database and relying on that data actually, being there when the user is accessing our application, we need to make sure that we keep the data in our database in sync with the user data on Firebase Auth. So what we're going to do today is take a look at some of the options that are available for us in, just ensuring that this kind of data synchronization happens. And that's going to involve adding some special endpoints to our backend. So that's what we're going to take a look at here today, as well as just a few other stray topics about user management in the context of a full stack application. So without further ado, let's jump right in.